Absolutely, Rob. Beyond lawmakers, by far the biggest group of people here today at the Capitol were those supporters wanting to see the 1972 Equal Rights Amendment ratified. And they did not have to wait very long after the gavel dropping to get their first victory for Virginia to become the necessary 38th state to ratify the amendment and make it into the Constitution.
Okay. Mr. Chair, 284 passes.
Supporters of the Equal Rights Amendment celebrate hours after the start of the 2019 General Assembly as a Senate committee approves its ratification. Earlier, they cheered lawmakers as they arrived at the Capitol, urging them to support it.
In a recent poll, 81% of Virginians support ratification of the ERA.
The constitutional amendment passed by Congress in 1972 would enshrine equal protection under the law regardless of sex. 38 states are needed to ratify it, and Virginia could become number 38 if it passes. Supporters say it's necessary despite other similar laws and state constitutional amendments passed since.
Federal and state law and state constitutions can and do change, and they're changed pretty easily.
But opponents disagree for its need and express concerns about its impact.
If we are talking about an equality of sameness, which erases the difference between men and women, then we are headed in the wrong direction.
Opponents add it can no longer be ratified because the congressional deadline to do so passed in 1982.
The proponents want to ignore facts of history that they don't like, the expiration date.
Delegate Mark Cole chairs the committee where the issue sits in the House side, and while it has passed the Senate in the past, it has never done so on the House side, and Cole says he doesn't know what its fate will be this time around.
We'll talk to some various members and see what we do.
Now, on the issue of whether or not it is too late to ratify, supporters say that other amendments have passed with a larger time gap and that the General Assembly should just go ahead and ratify it and let Congress decide to act on it. Working for you in Richmond, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6.